In the town of Napville, a peculiar law was once enacted, banning yawning in public spaces to boost productivity. The regulation left residents bewildered as they struggled to suppress their natural yawns. Amidst stifled laughs and growing unrest, the community's creative spirit emerged to protest the absurdity of the law. They organized yawn fests, featuring performances mimicking yawns in entirely new ways, drawing attention through humor and art. The whimsical yet united protest gained significant media coverage, highlighting the impracticality of the rule. Ultimately, the spirited community restored their right to yawn freely, underlining the triumph of creativity and unity over nonsensical regulations.